Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kwame Chumisi. If you prefer the English version of this tutorial, please click on the first link in the description section below to suit yourself. Again, I'm going to include a template of the cover letter in the description section below. Please download so you can look at that as a template to put together your own cover letter. Hello, my dog for some Fufu TV, so as soon for Kwame Chumisi. Last week, you shared how to put together your resume, and as you share how to put together a cover letter. Who apply for a job in Australia, who hear both your cover letter and your resume. Brina because a cover letter who hear mobwa cover letter who hear paye. And if you're applying for a job, make sure you also spend some time and put together a cover letter. This will give you a high chance, say employer no or best select tool for the job. Without talking too much, I'm about to share my screen, then we get right into it. See you on the other side. And so next I'll break this down into three parts. Into first one, you'll be looking at the role of a cover letter. Now, second part, you go through how to put together a cover letter. Now, third part, you're looking at things not to do with your cover letter. Again, my tutorial about how to put together a resume. Major link in the description section below, because my point below is also covers the cover letter, but I'm not going to repeat the exact same point here. So young we see a lot of time. Now, what is the role of a cover letter? It's basically cover letter is to make your employer go and have a look at your resume. And the role of a resume is to make your employer call you for an interview. That is the basics. Also, with your cover letter, it gives you the chance for you to sell yourself more to your to your employer, and also gives you the chance to actually tell your employer, say, what's Ghana now person to crime back Australia. Brina against a cover letter here, but to me, here paye. If you catch say when your CV and on your resume is okay, go and start applying for jobs. But the men who say, oh, the cover letter one, a trade employer, and they say you are motivated to work with them, and also you are not lazy, because most people will be lazy and will not even think of adding a cover letter. Say input, so say employer and say may add the cover letter cry. Go above and beyond and add a cover letter so you can stand out from the rest. What's your cover letter? Big Jane say, so what's your myself as a 10. And who here? Okay, what's your cover letter? Make sure say you keep things less is more. Okay, go straight to the point. These employers, they are running their businesses and they are really busy on monthly the whole day, so more ready or be a cover letter. And to keep things short, straight to the point, and also less, so when you be able to say half page graph is way better from my experience, as to say ultra be 10 and here. Okay, also use simple English. Men control bro for akese and Ghana for I mini pie per a trouble of wakese news say young quantity at a brofo and here use simple English people can understand. Also use keywords from the job description. Be a detailed explanation in the resume tutorial. Until again, major link or description section or called Nakoridi, so you know what I'm talking about. And also use industry language. But to say farming or more terms to be on use to say harvesting, seeding, and a honkikaho. So also never be to say digital marketing and our website designer. It will be a friendly UI, UX, SEO, and to in regards to the sort of job now we'll apply for in your resume, make sure you repeat one of these industry terms so that employer will say, so I'm part uti ejumana set and I will apply for. Okay, so keep things to the short and always make sure say you include a cover letter in the job you are applying for. Now, how do you put together a cover letter? In my resume tutorials, we share a lot of tools you can use, but in this tutorial, we'll just use quick resume. Okay, so without talking too much, share my other screen. Then let's look at how we can use quick resume. Into a quick resume, into the main called create resume. So if you don't have an account, go and create an account. It's really easy. Okay, into me back now, my login into my account to that. Into me new cover letter. So the one to make click it our plus sign so. O click also now be more template our FFF. Okay, but if you need help with the content now, we got top section now, top left section now. First one here design no. Ebe more font size no plus where I'll be to me use font I'll be to me use. Okay, but I do not play with it here. I like the font here and to me leaving it like that. After about import content now, I'll be to me import a content for your cover letter into the main set. Make sure farm hen. Because farm hen and media this tutorial. And so me apply for a farm job. Me try farm hen no ma click it also. Okay. After me bahana no ma click on use content and template. Into the way ni be set or be populate a content is in regards to farm hen data. To a more template, I can actually go and add in your details as you see here and submit. My creative data, okay, and to me babe UA for nothing, my bring it up there, my creative data no, then I go through with you. Alright, into when my creative data no, okay, my creative one nice and simple. Okay, so the layout of your cover letter no, again, header no, which my click also now I edit it into Kwame Chumisi and a farm hen for again, your back section hana. Your contact details and to do here your email, your number, your address, no mention your full address. Ko Abia Accra Ghana, Kumasi Ghana, Takrady Tema, Kofrodi Anon Keken. And also if you have a LinkedIn page now, repeat the exact same thing here. With your resume tutorial now, we use the exact same heading until you use the exact same thing here. Over down hana, you have to enter a Jumana will apply for no their details, okay? Where to find this, the job now, yes, searching for no. In regards to this, we are looking at the permanent junior farm hand. Company details, and so the me say I just copied this, and I'm pasting make sure AKJ Slee, AKJ Slee, and a hiring manager. If you know the name of the hiring manager, now for sure, we just write a hiring manager. And the twasu me a share easy. In case that you don't find it here now, Abia so when now you can still do a Google search into Abia AKJ Slee because piano call Google. And to me call Google I don't type AJA no I don't click also. And if you look through now, it can give you the company website and information again on my address now. So you can also copy this on more Western Australia and paste here as easy as that. Into your hona na fe about dear hiring manager Munshe Wenso and Bibrina Betro to whom it may concern. Don't do that and show professionalism. Okay, Bibetro dear sir or madam, don't do that. Say recruiter and for your cover letter, hiring manager before your cover letter. And to be on the safer side, just go dear hiring manager, and trust me, they will not penalize you for that. And ways to look more professional as to whom it may concern. And dear sir or madam, just go dear hiring manager. Now, about the actual content of your cover letter now, normally I go with just 4 paragraphs. And 4 paragraphs, just go simple. Men control be brave. I'll leave this copy in the description section below. To be to me, I'll download it. Now I share so at the actual there. And I'll wait tricky 1 or 2 things at home. So we'll apply for farm here and inquire. Okay. Alright, into dear hiring manager. And I have no first paragraph, I normally make reference as to the job I may apply for. And also, release 1 or 2 skill set me what is related to the job now on my describing and to the sort of candidate I'm open. That's what I normally do. In Tiashana Mature, this is with reference to your recent job posting for junior farm hand. Yabahana permanent junior farm hand. It's my making reference. Job published on seek.com.au. Into again my making reference to baby who job seek.com.au. I hold a versatile, it's having my best selling myself. I hold a versatile experience in managing the daily operations, livestock feeding, seeding, eliminating the weeds, feeding animals, spraying chemical substance, and have been working in this position for the past 5 years. And to me, who keep hiring manager, no, as to say, I've got the skill set to do the job. And again, I mean, plenty keywords I found here into the top section. Nice and simple. Myriad and I also go further to sell myself more as to why the employer should hire me. Whilst working as a farmhand at Darko Farms and Edinkra Farms, but your resume now, I repeated say in my work experience section, make sure say I've worked at Darko Farms and also Edinkra Farms. I gain a valuable experience performing most duties associated with my role. I strongly believe that I'm the ideal candidate for the job, and I'm confident that I could become a valuable addition to the team. To your team. And to have me go up to sell myself. Now me catch them about my experience and also say or add me to the team now. On straight. I'll be I'll be like a valuable member to the team. No. And again, I went further to sell myself. Nice and simple. Into the third paragraph, really important. You need to let them know, say, you're an international applicant and you're applying from your home country. Into Metro said, I'm currently living in Ghana, so said I'm but I have Australia at heart, and ready to relocate for work. Me catch them send me to Ghana, but me person me to Quimba, Australia for work, and I'm ready to relocate. Must I go ahead? I catch you say I have a police clearance certificate and also have a Ghana driver's license. It was a requirement in the job description. I'm open to any relocation support. Most employers now or more pet will be from overseas, they are ready to support you. And again, me catch them say I'm ready for any relocation support is available for me. And I am open to any relocation support available and also ready to provide any additional documents and information required. Also the mature I am a non-smoker and very proficient in English. We now mature it was a requirement in the job description. Yabahana about keen interest in farming, willingness to learn, police clearance, you don't want non-smoker preferred. So visa sponsorship considered for the right candidate. Omo highlight is so mun here will police clearance and also the driving. So Oshahana employers questions, your application will include the following questions. Do you have a current police check? So to make some more data. Do you have a current Australian driver's license? Many Australian driver's license by me to Ghana, but I've got a Ghana driver's license, and you'll be able to use your Ghana driver's license to drive in Australia when you come here. The answer back your documents to be able to allow you to drive. And so again, my make you reference fair. Now again, I go with a call to action. Okay, me catch on some resume. My resume attached with the job application gives you a summary of my experience, skills, and qualification. I welcome an opportunity for an interview to discuss my application further. Thank you for considering my application. Yours sincerely, Kwame Chumisi. Nice and easy. And again, my ending for say, my attaching my resume into person who the sort of skills, my qualification, in my experience. Now, please go and have a look at my resume. Into again, call to action. Nice and easy. Nothing my under. Yours sincerely, Kwame Chumisi. Which hana my BBR simple, straight to the point. And yafen na me ba be chiri semi free santasi na me tu kwan e ba Accra and am be juma ma AYZ and a juma AYZ to no muntia me ka ye and me ba na me ye den and ya dance die. Okay, go straight to the point. And to me preview hana won't say half page crown or I should in draw. Into employer no read you because akwa we watch we any camera when me question a resume no not my include a lot of keywords now. They'll call me for an interview, okay, and you be on your way to Australia. Make sure you stand out, okay, and this is something I'll write as my cover letter. Again, we are answering about download, make sure so one name you cover letter no fair. Do not just name it anything and attach name it fair because most people will download every cover letter. normal go through one by one. But if yours stand out now, they will open yours. And to your top section, Hannah, my name is as Kwame Chumesi, and I'm actual cover letter, and I'm actual farm hand, okay? Into my name no kama. So if I'm happy with it now, I'll just go download. Then I'll download as PDF. So then I'll attach to the email and send to my employer. As easy as that. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be there to help you guys out. Now, much on my cover letter, into what are some of the things you don't need to do with your cover letter. Don't repeat the exact same information in your resume. The actual resume did that, man, repeat it our cover letter, and yes, sir, and you're professional. It's actually annoying. So, employer never redo your cover letter or core resume more the exact same information or. Do not do that mistake. Don't mention reasons as to why you are not having any experience. Only farm experience and your cover letter no be trim. Or mommy ya trim for no. Mr. and you no be trim, okay? You are selling yourself, not downselling yourself. Don't mention reasons for leaving your old job. Again, men coach and say more cover letter didn't ya old job no peso jai. In here or me will be your experience so baby age mom. Okay? Spelling and grammar checks in the mistakes, say them mechano. Into again, mobia or tip brofo and second, get another third eye or read it through the cover letter and sana was saying it. Do not use the exact same cover letter for different jobs application. Mistake can be benign except or much from cover letter, no much from resume and CV or use that exact same thing. I apply for a lot of jobs. Australians are not like that. They want to see say there or more share our job application, So if you use a generic cover letter and resume to apply for a lot of jobs, you getting selected, it's going to be very, very minimal. I just saw you're lucky. Okay, do not work with flag here. Make sure so you've done your homework, you've done hard work, put together a cover letter and resume and apply for the jobs. Now, you never know, you'll be on your way to Australia. Your friend Kwame Chumesi, if you have any questions, comment below, and when I get a chance, I'll reply you. Again, I'm getting close to 8,000 emails from you guys, and to reply to your email, I'll surely get to it. Just there, but check because I'm one person multitasking and I've got other commitments too. But I'll try and help everyone as much as I can. If you find this content useful, please show some love. Click on that subscribe button, ring on the notification bell so you do not miss out when I release another video. My name is Kwame Chumesi. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.